doing?
Just give it a chance.
No!
Fuck! You cut me!
I didn't!
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Crazy bitch!
I told you to stop!
Stay the fuck away from me!
Excuse me, I need help.
How's your breathing?
It's fine. I'm having a reaction to a drug.
What did you take?
I don't know.
Little help here.
You're gonna have to wait.
Can you just look?
You can breathe. We'll work up to you when we can.
Please!